Hi friends, welcome to the DIY Field Day Station 1. Station 1 is paper plate matching, or like paper plate memory game. So I have shapes drawn on the plates to match, so matching sets. And I put Play-Doh on the top just so the wind doesn't blow them away, or you can use anything to sit on top of the plate so the wind doesn't blow them away. And Yusuf is going to show us how to play. He's got a heart, so he's got to see if he can find the second heart. And we're just using little Play-Doh cups to weigh our plates down, but you can use anything.
Smiley face?
Heart and smiley face. Oh, it's not a match, so he's got to turn them back over. Let's see if he can find the other heart or the other smiley face.
Rectangle?
Rectangle. Oh, so now he has to find a rectangle.
Circle?
Circle. Oh, no matches yet. Got to keep trying. Perseverance is key. Perseverance means keep going and do not give up.
Heart?
Heart. Okay, let's see if he remembers where the other heart was. What do you think, Ryan? Do you think he's going to remember?
Heart.
Woohoo! We got our first match. 2 hearts. And he would just keep going until he has all the plates matched. And that is our paper plate matching. Oh, he's going to do one more. So smiley face. There's one smiley face. Let's see if we can find the second smiley face.
No.
Nope. You want to keep trying? Oh, you got to turn it back over though. Okay, so if you make the match, keep it turned upright. If you don't make the match, turn it over and try again.
Smiley face.
2 smiley faces, so he's got 2 matches. Way to go, Yusuf and Ryan. Thank you for showing us Station 1 of the DIY Field Day.